Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Finally, let's take a look at the Bitcoin market today. And here's the only one major thing that I need to warn you about. On a monthly chart, we see nothing really new. Our market stands in the range of this high wave that has been formed previously, and mostly January stands inside of this one. And December month, except minor spike here, so in general, the overall consolidation stands at the same level. But the most important thing stands with our potential double repo pattern and things that is going on right now on the weekly and lower time frames. If you take a look at the weekly, here is everything stands. Take a look that here market is showing upward continuation, when just last week it was the wash and rinse of the previous top and downside reversal, which is very typical for double repo sell pattern. We have discussed this in details already many times. But for now, today is already Thursday and just 2 sessions until the end of the week. And take a look, market is forming the bullish grabber. Here's actually, we also have the grabber. But if this grabber may be under some doubts because of this too long spike down below the lows of this grabber, so it's not good for the pattern. But this one is absolutely normal. And as you understand, the pairing of the grabber suggests taking out of the stop. That's the tricky moment that we have on the Bitcoin. Well, it means that double repo will fail, not necessary. So it could fail, but at the same time, it might be another spike here, some minor wash and rinse around the same top. So market could just retesting the same top twice and then could start dropping. That's also possible. So for now, we can't say this definitely. We need to see what will happen around it. But what we could say is that in the current circumstances, if everything will close, I mean, this particular week will close as it stands right now, chances of retesting of the top will be high. And this is the reason why we think that currently maybe better to stay aside from any new bearish positions. Because if you remember last time, the retracement that has started, we have intended to use for possible taking short position. But with these new inputs on the table, when you could see that the grabber's potential might be formed, I think that we could wait a bit and see what will happen. Besides, there's not too long to wait until this moment. On the daily chart, I do not see something really special. So the upward action that we have discussed now stands on the way. No particular pattern except the double top that we already discussed last time. So here's mostly everything stands the same. On a 4-hour time frame chart, another more or less bullish sign is that after the breakout of the diamond pattern, market is returning back to the same consolidation. So it has been broken, market reached the 618 level and now is returning back inside of it. So this is not a good sign for the bearish perspectives. That's another thing on the 4-hour time frame chart. Finally, on the hourly chart, what we have, the pullback looks really great. So initially we thought that it will be just this level, but you can see market has shown a bit more extended action back to the 104, almost 105 area, which is a 618 retracement. And this from the whole action down, and market is forming it in the way of the ABCD pattern. So potentially, this combination of the ABCD back to the 618 level could be treated as short-term bearish. So at least some minor reaction here might happen for the 30%, maybe back to the 103 area, 104.50. So this is for scalp traders. But because of the reasons that we just have discussed with this grabber on the weekly chart and so on the high time frames, on the daily chart, on the weekly chart, we suggest that it would be better to not consider taking new shorts right now. If on a lower time frame, on the hourly chart here, you still could think about it. So some kind of, finally we have a kind of the guardless put to sell, right? So this minor reaction might happen. And for these purposes, you could consider for a few hours and taking short position. But this is not the case, not the same case for higher time frames. Nothing towards what we have.